Time for a flat belly fix reality check, okay? No product is perfect for everybody. As with all weight loss methods, consistency and patience are required. The flat belly fix will only work if you apply the information provided. Very often people don't see results quickly enough and they assume that the method doesn't work. They give up before they have a chance to succeed. And this is a huge mistake. Weight loss is a slow process. Despite the hype on the Flat Belly Fix website, it will take some time to achieve results. You will definitely speed up your weight loss with the methods in this guide, but you won't be dropping 20 pounds in 2 weeks. Be prepared to stick to the system for at least 30 to 60 days. Also, your weight loss success will depend on your caloric state. You must be at a caloric deficit. The fat loss tea recipe is good, but it's not the crucial component to the flat belly fix. What you truly need to focus on is your caloric intake. The best scenario is that you are burning more calories than you are taking in on a daily basis. This rule should have been given more attention in the Flat Belly Fix guide. Lastly, you can only purchase the Flat Belly Fix online, and you will need a credit card or other method to pay online. And once purchased, this book is delivered in digital format. So you'll either have to read it on your computer, on your tablet, on your phone, or you can print it out to be able to take notes while reading. We're almost there. Follow me to the next video for some last words about the Flat Belly Fix.